Good morning guys, Cherry here and I'm with my friend Rosa. Today we are starting our trip here in Cagban Port, heading to Katiklan and to Iloilo. Anong gagawin natin sa Iloilo? We're gonna explore Iloilo. Let's go! Daanan na ito malapit sa park. Actually, Iloilo is a really nice big city in part of Panay, and it's one of the cleanest city here, and also it's one of the famous because of there's some tourist spots here. They are known to their food delicacies like paspachoy, seafoods, and more. Kaya bayad. Busy pa. It seems like in Ati-Atihan in Boracay or in Calibo. Here we go guys, we arrived here in Iloilo. Finally! Welcome here! Welcome to Iloilo! Later we will explore more. Actually, ayan. Actually, here in Robinsons in Iloilo, lots of interesting things here, and also lots of stores. Unlike in Boracay, it's just a simple one, no? Long lines. They're scheduled 12 to 13, and on the other side is 11 to 12. Okay, we will come back later. So guys, we are already here now in third floor of Iloilo Robinsons. What? Here we go guys, we are already here now on the third floor of Iloilo Robinsons, and on third floor we can find some governmental services. Services here like SSS there for the SAOA. There, that's usually for this government service, usually for Filipino workers that working in abroad, and of course the Department of Foreign Affairs there, or DFA, where my schedule here in Iloilo and later. are here now, close to Festive Walk over there. Actually, we went here 2 or 4 years ago. I don't remember exactly. Okay, this is the tara na. Terminal. We will go on the other side. It's a Festive Walk. Ha?
Napan ako ng bus.
Yan kasi Festive Walk.
Kondo pababa. Kung pinasara kasi may car show daw po. Bukas pa siguro. Hanggang mamaya naman yan siguro. Bukas na lang. Tapos, kung hindi sila dadaan dito, dito sila magdadaan. Sa yan yung one Madison po na building. Diyan sana.
Building nga.
Sabi ko sa'yo, sinakyan yung ma'am naman ng kondo pababa. Kung pinasara kasi may car show daw po. Bukas pa siguro. Hanggang mamaya naman yan siguro. Bukas na lang. Tapos, kung hindi sila dadaan dito, dito sila magdadaan. Sa yan yung one Madison po na building. Diyan sana.
Building nga.
Sabi ko sa'yo, sinakyan yung ma'am naman Doriao na Mega World po. Diyan sana kayo bababa. Para at yun, sa kabilang building na po, yan po yung Lafayette Park.
Yes. Dito nakapunta na kami ng pamangkin ko.
Kaya hindi familiar si Kuya kasi hindi siya umiikot dito.
Oh, hindi.
Kasi iba yun ma'am, iba kasi yung ruta nila. Basta yung Mandurao na may Imolo ata, sinakyan nyo. Iba kasi yung ruta talaga nila. Yan po, may car show.
May car show.
May mga palabas sila. Mga, kung gusto nyo pa manood dyan, pwede kayo manood.
Bili tayo ng sasakyan na laruan.
Kasi ganun din sa Cebu eh. Parang may mga ano din.
Bakit ma'am, first time nyo ba dito sa Iloilo?
Ako first time.
Yes po.
Yan yun naman din yung Mega World po.
Basta nakakita kami ng Doriao.
Mandurriao eh.
Iba-iba kasi talaga yung ano ng Mandurriao dito ma'am.
Yes po.
Actually, yung sinasabi nga niyong One Madison.
Yan po yung layap eh. Ano
to?
yung
Building to.
One Madison Place po.
The Madison Place.
Kasi meron yun.
Pero kung ano hindi close dito ma'am, dito talaga dadaan yung mga Mandurriao na Mega World. Kaso close eh, kasi yun nga, may mga
Car
palabas.
show.
Kaya dito na lang sila muna iikot. Kasi dito ako bumaba kanina.
Okay. Let's go.
Kasi una, hindi ko nga alam na may car show dito. Nung pagpunta ko na lang dito, yun yung ano, tinanong ko yung sa front desk. Sabi niya may car show daw. Every time naman kasi ma'am, before mag-Dinagyang, 1 week celebration kasi hanggang Dinagyang Festival, may mga ano talaga dito, ma'am, may mga palabas ba?
It's really nice here.
Tayo ma'am, sa 6th floor po.
Okay. We will check a room here.
Pasok na po ma'am.
Wow. Smells good.
Pagpasa ko lang yung charity. Ito naman yung susi po dito ma'am. Ito lang po siya yung sa main door talaga. Yung guarantee po sa mga case lang naman po yan malak yung balcony at saka yung gusto nyo po na magpakulo ng tubig ma'am or either
Magkape.
ng kape. Yan. Kasi yun, may mga gamit at saka pwede nyo naman gamitin yan yung
May ref.
ma'am ref.
May ref.
Yes po.
Wow.
Ano
Walis.
check out?
Ang check-out time namin dito ma'am is 11 a.m. Yung left po ma'am, yung ano ma'am, yung init kasi yan, umiilaw po siya na pula.
Okay.
Pero kung yung sa gitna or either yung dito pa
Yung,
punta ma'am, yung cold po yan ma'am. Pero kung ayaw nyo po ma'am sa shower, eto po ma'am,
Gripo.
ipapabalan po natin to para yung sa gripo naman po siya. Same lang din sa gripo ma'am, yung left side mainit, yung right side, yun yung malamig.
Okay.
Yan lang naman po ma'am.
Eco Performance Engine, ensuring maximum power delivery at optimum fuel efficiency for an exhilarating ride. With a fuel economy rating of 50.2 kilometers per liter, the Gixxer SF155 is one of the most fuel-efficient motorcycles in the market. A masterpiece in motion, fierce in stance, and sleek in design. The Gixxer SF155 is the ultimate tool for riders who crave speed and control. With its sporty clip-on handlebar, ensuring better ergonomics for a comfortable riding position. Precise, agile, and maneuverable, the Gixxer SF155 will take you to new heights of riding enjoyment. The full digital instrument panel provides essential information in a compact and easy-to-read display screen, even at night. The powerful LED headlights and taillights provide enhanced illumination on the road. It also features the Gixxer signature dual-top exhaust muffler, leading to cleaner emissions and more balanced power distribution. Every ride is smooth with a superior 7-step adjustable rear suspension for enhanced comfort, handling, and stability. Equipped with advanced braking technology, the Gixxer SF155's large diameter disc brake offers reliable stopping power even in challenging conditions. Cruise through the city or push the limits on open roads with the Suzuki Gixxer SF155, completing the Gixxer 155 series.
Hindi ko alam. Oh, yung cute! wala masyadong ganap here. May lilang. Naman, may sayaw ko eh.
Video mo pala kayo.
Sige, hanapan lang ko.
Thank you. Sir, may bottled water ka mo? Wala pa kami tubig, sir. Soft drinks pa lang available naman, sir.
Basta anong oras ka mo bukas?
Until 10, ma'am.
Ah, okay. Hindi tinipid sa karne. Akala ko may pag ganun-ganun pa eh.
Sayang naman. Kakainin mo na lang.
Oo nga eh.